started to research.
Very good. See, if you look at the image, 19 and 20 will look opposite.
Opposites.
20 also means something like a toll gate or an arch in the city like India Gate.
India Gate.
Now you see the picture, you will get that image.
Yes, sir. It's like in my India Gate only.
Now, in modern days, you can call it a toll gate also.
Yes.
Even in toll gate also, you will have that kind of top.
Arch type of one portion.
It is a viewing point. Earlier times, whenever somebody passes through that place, the superior officer will view from above.
Like in Kote, that's what is Kote, I don't know. Fort, there will be one.
Yeah, the king's place, there will be.
There will be viewing point for the
viewing point, yes. That is the thing. And it also means you are viewing at something from a distance.
Yes.
Like, for example, when you go to the airport, you cannot go to all the areas. After some time, you have to stop.
Yeah, yes. No? We should stop and then they're going to check and they're going to.
You can only see the person and wave.
Yes.
One more exception is somebody who is in the ICU.
Only we can see. We cannot go and talk to them.
Right. So you can only view.
View.
I want to give you a case study. I got a call. Those days I used to keep the book on the table, eat, whatever you do, work in the computer, all will be very close by.
Okay.
It won't be separate. No? So I got a call around 10 o'clock or little later. It was a girl calling and saying, "Uncle, one boy is in the hospital." He gave the name and said that boy is in hospital. I just looked at it and immediately I said, he is in ICU, he is in danger.
Okay.
Believe me, he was sick badly. So if you can get a clue, you will understand the seriousness of the condition. That is the purpose of the message.
Okay.
You won't take it lightly, or if you have to take somebody's help, you will act correctly. Right?
Right, sir.
Not ignoring it in a very light sense. Okay. Go to 21.
21. 21 is middle daughter. Sorry, she biting and snapping. Okay.
Biting. I tell you, this speaks about how you eat your mutton or non-veg.
No.
I'm a vegetarian, but I can tell you the experience of, I used to ask people, whoever is a student, I ask him, do you eat non-veg? He will say, most of them eat. Then I ask him, when you eat a piece of whatever non-veg item, your nose will be hidden. You hold like this.
Okay.
This speaks about the type of meat you eat, the food poisoning that can occur through your meat eating.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, to read it.
Shahi biting and snapping. Middle daughter Lee, the cleaning fire. Excuse. Elder son Ching, the arousing thunder wood.
Okay, read number 1.
Sandals in the stocks, destruction of the feet, no harm.
See, the person is having problem with his feet, either injured or what you call, some injury to the bone or some cut or wound, whatever. The area is your foot and it means an injury.
Okay.
So you cannot ignore it. Okay. That's a warning. And
biting
biting through the flesh.
Destruction of the nose. No harm.
Yeah. Next one.
Okay. You bite into cured meat.
Okay.
You find poison.
Correct. That means you are eating a meat or whatever item which is already spoiled, and this is going to cause food poisoning. Yes, that is the thing.
You bite into dry bones. You find a golden arrow. The omen of difficulties favorable.
I forgot to ask you, do you eat non-vegetarian?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm asking for the purpose of clarification, because when I want to speak.
Yes, sir.
See, here it is mentioning about biting into dry bones.
Okay.
In my understanding, because I'm not a non-vegetarian,
Non-vegetarian. I can
I
understand.
tend to think generally human beings, beyond a point, they won't bite into the bones.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
But it indicates some other quality.
Okay.
The way this person spends more time doing all that.
No, actually, what is the problem, sir? They eat non-veg in my home, but yearly it will be hardly 3 to 4 times. That's all.
Whatever. I'm not finding fault. I'm not saying do this or don't do that. But this explains that kind of situation. That is what I meant to.
Something like that.
Yeah. So you can find a person. I tell you, I want to give you a clue. When I was talking, my left hand moved. Over a period of time, whatever we have brought as our culture, our habits, our food habits, and whatever is our practice subject to local conditions, all those things, they are all carried by us.
Okay.
It is brought out in some form or other.
Okay.
So that is what is, brought out in this. Okay, you go to number 22.
Number 22. Okay. Number 22 is by adornment.
No, dressing oneself, trimming the beard, and making oneself presentable, looking nice.
Nice.
I want to give you a case study. One
Attractive.
boy, not necessarily attractive. Here it will focus more on inner feeling of self-confident, self-worth, being virtuous person.
Like a center of attraction also, sir. People
It is all residual. It does not mean just putting lipstick or anything.
Yes.
But it also means that being, you are able to take care of yourself.
Yes.
A person who cares for himself. That is a quality to be seen. Okay. See, it will go gradually. See, the feet are adorned. The next one is the beard is adorned. Right? Then adorned and anointed. Then adorned in white. The person is dressed in white. Or predominant color of the dress will be white.
White.
Right? Things like that.
The white horse is soaring. Robbers and bandits are seeking marriage.
Yes.
Okay. Like a Daco.
It depends, we don't know. It only means people who are in, some kind of not socially acceptable activity, but they are seeking marriage.
Okay.
Marriage does not mean just giving a girl or taking a boy. They are into some working relationship or family union,
Yeah, understood, sir.
So that kind of coming together and having some common goals, things like that. Go to number 23.
23 is, it is not, sorry, youngest son keeps keeping still, mountain, earth, mother is the representative earth. It is not favorable to proceed with the purpose. It's a bow splitting.
Yes.
Bow splitting. Okay.
See, if somebody gets this, it means the person has to pay attention to the health, and typically you will find the bed broken.
Yes.
I am not joking. Or the person will be sleeping in a broken bed.
Okay.
Or the double bed will be split. Do you understand?
Yeah, understood, sir.
There will be a split.
Split. Seen it, sir.
Right? And you go to number 5, point number 5.
Take a string of fish to the occupant of the place, sir, palace. You will find favor.
Yeah.
There is nothing that will not end favorably.
Here, I think it's giving you a technique for kaka pakdo.
Kaka pakdo.
Kaka pakdo means trying to do something, get favors.
And like they'll tell like kaka idiot. Oh yeah.
It like says doing like what you have to carry. See, you are advised, the person, your guest may be very fond of, what do you call, fish.
Fish.
I'm not joking. I have advised one person. He is meeting a person for the first time.
Okay.
So he doesn't know what the other person will like.
So
What is
bucket
his
like.
favorite food? He did not carry, but when they went to the restaurant,
Okay.
they ordered the specialty, which is a fish.
Okay.
Not that you have to cook from your home or you have to carry it or anything. Earlier days, carrying fish, in a string-like thing was considered auspicious.
Okay.
Saguna Shastra says, if you meet a person when you exit out of the house who is carrying a fish,
Fish.
it is auspicious.
Okay. It's
Right?
good.
Okay.
So
Now,
you know Shakuna Shastra also, sir?
there are many things, as you,
No, I've
there is
been heard about Shakuna Shastra. I was
yes.
learning in with other book. I couldn't understand anything. Like Panchapakshi Shakuna Shastra.
No, that is Panchapachi is different.
Okay.
In
And
Shakuna, you look at you listen to the dog barking,
lizard.
lizard, cowley, that's called cowley.
Cowley. In village called cowley.
Cowley,
And water. Any female taking on the water.
whatever.
And Brahmin, anyone coming, one or two people.
They are all part of Saguna Shastra. Young girl coming,
Yeah,
a
yeah,
widow
girl.
coming.
Widow coming. Because we were in village, so my
Village
uncle.
people will see that.
Yes,
Why
yes.
village? In town also, I have seen people doing it. The
So
wife will come to the road and see nobody is
is
coming
that
out of their house when her husband exits.
yes? My mother used to do this, sir.
So that is
Now also she does the same thing.
yeah. Number 24.
Number 24 is Fu returning.
Yes.
I want to write that also. Shakuna Shastra. Returning. Mother, the receptive earth. Elder son, the arousing thunderwood. Let an offering be made, going and coming. There will be no applications. Friends arrive.
Affliction means no sickness.
Okay, afflictions. Okay. Friends arrive, no harm. Reserving and returning on the road. You return after 7 days. Favorable to proceed with, with a purpose.
Here, I think talks about if you have lost something or if somebody has gone onto some other place or gone out of the house or something like that, they will return in 7 days.
Okay.
That is see, when you study many things, it is our nature of our mind to look for immediately parihara,
Okay.
dosha,
Yeah, understood.
remedy. You want everything quickly.
Yes.